Picture this. It's the late 1970s, and the planets have lined up in a way that happens just once in a lifetime. One mission, 4 giant worlds: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, all within reach. NASA seized the moment, launching Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 to chase the outer edges of our solar system. Each Voyager was packed with cameras and scientific gear, primed to reveal the secrets of these distant worlds. Blasting off in 1977, the Voyagers used each planet's gravity as a slingshot, rocketing themselves farther than ever before. A genius move. This wasn't just about science. It was about bold curiosity, turning faraway points of light into real, breathtaking worlds. For ages, these planets were just tiny dots in the night sky, barely more than a mystery. But Voyager's journey changed all that, turning the unknown into discovery. These 2 little spacecraft, faster than anything before them, set out to transform our view of the solar system. The data they sent home rewrote textbooks and revolutionized what we know about how planets grow and change. The Grand Tour became a shining example of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. In a way, the Voyager story is our story, a testament to human curiosity and the spirit of exploration. Each Voyager carries a golden record, a message from Earth to the cosmos. Crafted from gold-plated copper, it's not just a record, but a greeting to any intelligent life that might find it. The odds of discovery are slim, but the gesture itself speaks to our hope and desire to connect. Carl Sagan and his team filled the record with 115 images, greetings in 55 languages, and the sounds of our planet: wind, rain, a baby's cry, and more. Music from Bach, Beethoven, Chuck Berry, and folk traditions around the world plays alongside ceremonial chants and jazz. The record captures the diversity and creativity of humanity in 1977, a time capsule of our art and emotion. If found, it would reveal our joy, curiosity, and longing to reach beyond our world. President Jimmy Carter's message summed it up. This is a present from a small, distant world. We are attempting to survive our time so we may live into yours. The Golden Record is more than a message. It's a symbol of our optimism and belief in the value of life everywhere. It's a cosmic invitation, cast into the vast ocean of space. Even if never found, it stands as a testament to our hope that we are not alone. The act of sending it defines us as explorers and dreamers. Voyager's Golden Record is humanity's greeting card to the universe. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of space, we reach out. We hope to be heard. In 1979, as Voyager 1 neared Jupiter, it made a discovery that stunned scientists. Io, one of Jupiter's moons, was erupting with active volcanoes. Engineer Linda Morabito spotted a strange plume on Io's edge, evidence of a volcanic eruption in real time. Before Voyager, Earth was thought to be the only volcanically active body in the solar system. Io shattered that belief, revealing a world of fire and sulfur, with volcanoes spewing ash hundreds of kilometers high. Voyager observed multiple eruptions, confirming Io as the most volcanically active place we know. The cause? Tidal heating. Io is squeezed by Jupiter's gravity and its neighboring moons, generating intense internal friction and heat. This discovery forced scientists to rethink what moons could be: dynamic, evolving worlds, not just cold, dead rocks. Io's volcanoes opened a new chapter in planetary science, showing that the solar system is far more complex and surprising than imagined. The lesson: expect the unexpected. Voyager's flyby of Io proved that even small worlds can hold big surprises. It changed our understanding of where to look for geological activity. The universe, it seems, is full of wonders just waiting to be found, and Voyager was there to witness it. Saturn's rings were famous, but Jupiter was thought to be ringless, until Voyager's cameras revealed a faint, dusty ring encircling the giant planet. The discovery was almost accidental, found in a single, long-exposure image taken as Voyager passed through Jupiter's shadow. Jupiter's rings are ghostly and nearly invisible from Earth, only detectable when backlit by the sun. Voyager 2's follow-up images revealed the ring's structure: a main ring, a gossamer ring, and a thick inner halo. Unlike Saturn's icy rings, Jupiter's are made of dark dust, constantly replenished by impacts on its tiny inner moons. These rings are dynamic, forming and fading as dust is supplied and lost. The finding proved that ring systems are more diverse than anyone expected. Voyager showed us that even the largest planets can hide delicate, ever-changing features. Sometimes the universe's greatest secrets are the ones we never thought to look for. Voyager's visit to Saturn revealed a world of complexity. Thousands of ringlets, mysterious spokes, and moons acting as cosmic shepherds. The rings weren't serene, they were dynamic, shaped by gravity and collisions. Voyager discovered new moons and showed that Saturn's rings are a living system, not a static structure. The mission's highlight was Titan, Saturn's largest moon, shrouded in a thick orange haze. Voyager couldn't see Titan's surface, but its instruments revealed an atmosphere denser than Earth's, rich in nitrogen and methane. Titan became a frozen laboratory, hinting at the chemistry that might spark life. Voyager's findings set the stage for future missions, leaving Titan's mysteries for Cassini to explore decades later. Saturn and Titan prove that the solar system's wonders are as much about what we can't see as what we can. Voyager 2 pressed on to Uranus and Neptune, planets we'd barely glimpsed before. At Uranus, Voyager found a tilted blue-green world with extreme seasons and a bizarre off-center magnetic field. It discovered new moons and rings, revealing Uranus as a complex, puzzling planet. Neptune, reached in 1989, was a revelation, a dynamic world with the Great Dark Spot, high-speed winds, and bright methane clouds. Voyager clocked the fastest winds in the solar system on Neptune, over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune's rings were clumpy and incomplete, defying expectations. The Moon. Triton stunned scientists with geysers of nitrogen and a retrograde orbit, hinting at a captured origin. Voyager's flybys of these ice giants transformed them from distant dots into real, active worlds. Each discovery raised new questions about how planets and moons form and evolve. The grand tour ended with Neptune, but the mysteries Voyager uncovered would fuel research for decades. The outer solar system was far stranger and more beautiful than we'd ever imagined. With the planets behind them, the Voyagers set out for the edge of the solar system, the heliopause, where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. For decades, they measured the solar wind and cosmic rays, searching for the boundary. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, becoming the first human-made object in interstellar space. Solar particles vanished. Galactic cosmic rays surged. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, confirming the crossing and providing a second set of data. The edge of the solar system proved to be a turbulent, dynamic frontier, not a simple boundary. The Voyagers revealed a stronger, more organized magnetic field than expected, hinting at complex interactions between our Sun and the galaxy. Now, they sample the interstellar medium directly, acting as our first scouts beyond the solar bubble. Their journey into the unknown continues, expanding our reach into the galaxy. The Voyagers are true pioneers, exploring a realm no human has ever touched. Today, the Voyagers drift ever farther from Earth, their power fading but their legacy secure. They transformed our view of the solar system, revealing it as a vibrant, dynamic place of endless discovery. Voyager's images and data rewrote science and inspired generations to explore. But their greatest legacy is symbolic. They are humanity's ambassadors, carrying our story into the galaxy. Long after their signals fade, the Voyagers will sail on, silent monuments to curiosity and hope. Perhaps one day they'll be found, perhaps not. Either way, their journey reminds us of the vastness of space and the preciousness of our world. The Voyager mission is a story of exploration, wonder, and the enduring spirit of humanity.